Welcome back to another episode. If you are new here, I am Zach, and if you're not new, thank you for coming back. So, in this episode, I'm going to be teaching you how to exactly start Forex trading in 2025 from the absolute basics to actually getting you to the market, the Forex market. And in addition, towards the end of this video, I'm going to be giving some amazing news, and it's actually big, it's exciting, so please make sure to stick around in order for you to actually get the full value that this video is intended to give. And if you're actually serious, it has the potential to completely transform your trading journey if you are again serious about your trading journey. So in this video, I'm going to be teaching you the absolute basics from Forex trading, what is Forex, how to start trading Forex, how to actually get to the market. Okay, I am going to assume that most of you watching this video don't actually have the right knowledge that you need to actually get to the Forex market, getting started with the Forex market. So let's first start with the first things first. Let's go to Google and we are going to look at what is Forex. What is Forex trading? So here we see that actually Forex trading, also known as foreign exchange, is the buying and selling of currencies with the goal of making a profit from fluctuations in their exchange rates. It's essentially trading one currency for another, such as US dollars for euros or euros for Japanese yen. I'll explain about that for those who are still floating. This market is the largest and most liquid market in the world, with about $7 trillion exchanged daily. So you see, that's quite a huge market. There is money circulating within the Forex ecosystem is about 7 trillion daily. So there's quite a lot of that. Imagine if you just made 0.0001% of that. It would be something, man. So key aspects of Forex trading: currency pairs. Forex trading involves trading currency pairs, of course, because we said that Forex is the exchange of currencies. So where one currency is compared to another, for example, Euro USD represents Euro against dollar. In simplest terms, this means for 1 Euro, how many US dollars do you require? So that is something else that we are going to be talking about shortly. So speculation. In Forex, it's all about speculation. Traders speculate on the direction and magnitude of currency price movements, aiming to buy low and sell high. In Forex, you always know we buy low, we sell high. Again, if you stick to this channel, I'll elaborate exactly what it means. Buying low, we will actually buy low and sell high for you to see it in action. Keep coming back to this channel and you'll keep seeing more of these in action. So traders speculate on the direction and magnitude of currency price movements, aiming to buy low and sell high, and buy low to profit from the difference. Leverage. Forex trading often uses leverage, which allows traders to control large amounts of currency with a smaller amount of capital, potentially amplifying profits but also losses. If you do not understand what leverage is, do not worry, because this is something that you are going to be understanding more by doing. You learn something by doing, not by reading about it. Reading is just familiarizing yourself with the concept, but the actual knowledge sinks into your brain once you start doing. So with that being said, I believe we have talked enough about the introduction of what is Forex. You can go research more, but with this you are good. You actually have some idea about what Forex actually is. So the next thing I'm going to be taking you through is how to actually get connected to the Forex market. So let's first assemble the tools that we need to connect with the Forex market, the tools that are going to enable us get our funds inside the Forex market and actually start executing trades to profit. Hey, so yeah, that is it. My phone is right here. I believe you can see it. Let me now go to, sorry about that. Let's just pin this so it doesn't keep on disappearing. So we are going to go to our Play Store. You are actually going to need to download the following apps. So just a moment. Yeah, you are going to need these apps, either MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. So let's just use MetaTrader 5 because it's the most secure, and it comes with so much security. It will help you stop being scammed if you actually pay attention to traders who are using MetaTrader 5. I'm not saying that MetaTrader 4 is bad, but you can easily fall into traps of these online mentors if you don't know how to verify what it is that you're talking about. For me, you can see that my MT5 is already installed, so you will just come to your MetaTrader 5. So you see right here, this is just a moment, guys. Okay, you can see that here, if you actually log into your MetaTrader 5 for the first time, you will need to come to the three dots up there. Actually, it will give you an option. There will be a plus sign at the top, so you'll go there and then choose your server. I'll explain about the server in a moment, and the account number, and then the password in a moment. Then you will actually log into your account, and that is how you will be connected to the forex market. You see here I have all the currency pairs when I come to trade, or I can come to quotes. You see that there is a list of all the currency pairs that I need to trade. If there is something that I want to add, I'll just click the plus button and choose, because you know the market is huge. We have the forex market, we have the indices market, we have the crypto market. You know, there's quite a lot of instruments to trade on. So, but in this case, I'm going to be focusing on forex because I am a forex trader. So, um, basically these are the things that you need to do. If you don't have these currencies, I'll explain that you need to have major currencies here, especially if you're a beginner trader. You'll just need to trade the normal major currencies, and the major currencies involve Euro USD, GBP USD, you know, Audi USD, NZD USD, I believe, Euro GBP, and such instruments, because those are the best, not the best, but the major currency pairs that you need to be trading, and the most friendly to actually start with, including USD CAD and USD CAD and yeah, I believe those are the major that you will be trading. For example, on my list, I can see that I don't have USD CAD, so I can just come there and then add USD CAD, and I found it there, I believe. You can see when I come here on my quotes, USD CAD has already been added at the bottom there. So this is everything that you need to know. Again, I wanted to show you, if you want to know that this is a real account, you can see for me I've not funded, because that is what I'm intending to put at the end of the video about the news that I was telling you. Big exciting news. You can see that there is the header. I don't know if you understand. Where there is trade on that line, you can see there is a wallet, and then there is an option to filter by time order symbol. That is when you have running trades, and then there is a plus button where you can actually add or execute a trade. So if you want to know that it's a real account, you see this wallet icon. When you click on it, you can see that there is a deposit option and there is a withdrawal option. For demo accounts, they don't have the deposit and withdrawal options. So if you are looking for somebody that is genuine, ensure that you can see some of these elements on their MetaTrader 5. For MetaTrader 4, it doesn't have the wallet, so you need to be careful because you might actually get scammed. But that is it. That is the wallet right there. And when you click deposit or withdrawal, it will take you to your brokerage account, which leads me now to talking about the brokerage account. So in Forex, for you to be able to get those details that we are talking about, the signing in details, you'll need to go and get a broker. So I don't know what country you're watching this from, but let me assume you're watching this from Kenya. You can just go to your Google account and search or you can search for best Forex brokers. In my case, I'm in Kenya, so I'll just search Kenya. You see that there is here, Forex is actually the brokerage firm that I use. There is HF Markets, which is Hot Forex. I used to use HFM a while ago. I've also tried Exness, I've tried Scope Markets, Pepperstone Kenya. These are brokers that I'm familiar with. So you also need to go and check if you are going to be opening a trading account. You need to look for a good Forex broker. And if you see here this list in your country, you can also choose which option suits you best. Because for me, FXPesa, I like them because their withdrawals are instant, their deposits are instant. They support our local currency. For example, not currency but payment system. In Kenya, we use a cashless system. You can use the cash, physical cash, if you have it, but most of us actually we just work with money inside our phones on something called M-Pesa. So FXPesa, they support somebody depositing via M-Pesa instantly and withdrawing instantly. That is what makes me like about FXPesa. So you can go and check for your broker, choose one. You can survey them and see which one has the pros that are better than other brokers in your country. So in my case, I'm not going to go into the brokerage site because there is actually some sensitive information that is meant to be kept private. I won't be showing in this video, but you see, you can go there, you can sign in, and then after, if you have not signed in, I believe they have a sign up option. You can go and sign up and actually get to open your, you can choose there from between MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5, and then they will give you the login credentials. They will give you a server, they'll give you the server name, the account name, and I think for others you can set your password, or for others you can use your portal password to log into your MetaTrader 5 account. That is when you go to your MetaTrader 5 app that you just saw, and then there will be a plus button there. Use the plus button to actually sign in of your account. So if you deposit money inside your brokerage account, you will access that money from your MetaTrader 5 app. Then you can execute your trades from the MetaTrader 5 app to actually get your money inside the Forex market. So if you do not have a live account like here in FXPesa, you can just go and choose create live account and they'll be able to assist you. So that is all that I wanted to teach in this video. Is the basics that somebody needs to understand. Once you play with this app, you will understand how it actually works. And the news that I wanted to tell you is that from maybe next week, I'm going to deposit $100. Actually, no, let's just do, I think $10 will be good because I think most of you can actually afford $10. So we'll deposit $10 into our account. As you can see, let me just share again because the account number. Okay, I believe you can also see the account number for this account. I'll deposit some $10, and then after depositing the $10, we will be growing that account step by step. We will not have any hurry with the account withdrawals. Maybe we'll just be withdrawing some bit of profit here and there, but we want to see how far we can actually go with this account if we don't actually aim to withdraw everything. Like, it's not an account that I'm going to be trading for personal use of the profits that I get out of the account, but I'm going to just trade these up to maybe something like September, October, November, just not December. Because December, I don't trade during December, and January, they are not good months to trade. I just test the market a little bit to see the market conditions, but my experience trading during the festivities, it has never been good. So keep coming back again. Sorry for that. Keep coming back again from next week. The episode that we'll be doing will be basically growing this small $10 account. If we blow, not much of an issue because we can just start the process all over again, but we'll try as much as possible. Let me say, I will try as much as possible not to blow that account. We will follow a very disciplined approach. You'll see me live executing those trades, and you can see me on the video. You'll see my emotions, my composure, the time that I take the trades, how I actually take the trades, how I analyze the market, so that those who are not even familiar with using TradingView, they'll understand how to use TradingView. For those who have no TradingView, they have no laptop, do not bother, because I'll still teach you how you can analyze the market from your phone and actually get to execute these trades. So with that being said and done, thank you for watching. Hoping to see you again next time. Bye.